Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I just came home from church and had lunch and all that good stuff. And now I'm gonna edit yesterday's video. I think. I don't know. I haven't really done much, as you can probably tell. I actually was asleep. I just woke up to film a couple of quick clips, including this one. So there's that, and I need to upload today's video. So I woke up to do that. Oh, and I am bringing back my writing Patreon, or I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna experiment with some content. Tomorrow's gonna be a special thing. And I would love to have you join me, so come join me at patreon.com/STEPHSURRATT. There should be a post going up later tonight, and then tomorrow because of Memorial Day, and then I don't know about that. I don't know about Tuesday. But we'll figure it out, though. I always do. Hi. Where are you? There you are. Hi. Why are you laying all the way over there? Hello. Oh, she wants me to pet her. She keeps nudging me. Oh. Oh boy. But all I can reach is her head. So she'll have to do with head pets. Yeah. Oh, she's going to sleep now. She's going to sleep now. I have no interesting stories to tell about you while I have the camera on you. 'Cause I don't know what you did all day besides stay outside till it poured down rain and somebody took pity on you and let you in. I don't know who that was. It wasn't me. Just kidding, it was my aunt. It would have been me though. She hadn't have got there first. Good night. Good night. As you can see, I'm currently in bed and it is after midnight, so therefore I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications, because if you haven't noticed, I don't always post the videos on time. I do my best, but I'm only one me. So if you want to know when I post a video for sure, assuming that YouTube isn't being weird, notifications are in fact your best bet. Leave a comment if you have something to say. And speaking of leaving a comment, today's question of the day, I have wrecked my brain, and I can't come up with a question of the day. So, I'm gonna think about that, and I'm gonna continue with the rest of this ending. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Steffi2010. can be found on my YouTube page below the About section, as well as down in the description, along with a link to transcribe and add closed captions to any or all of my videos, including the one that you're currently watching. So if you know a language other than English and you can help me out, I'd really appreciate it. And for today's question of the day, what's the thing that you can have that makes you extremely hyper? Or that you can't have that makes you extremely hyper? Mine's Mountain Dew. Leave a comment down below and let me know. So what's the thing that you can't have that makes you extremely hyper? That's your question of the day. And I will see everyone tomorrow. Bye, guys. Well, I was going to go outside, but then it started raining. That was my plan, to go outside after I got home from church, and then as soon as we got out of the car, it started raining, and I was like, well, never mind. I'm not sitting outside in the rain. And then we got some storms with lightning and thunder, and I was like, I thought it wasn't supposed to rain today, and my aunt was like, it wasn't. So I'm just gonna sit here and play on Facebook, I guess.